Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys today my new releases for my November budget sticker kits, as well as an extra sticker that I designed that I had some requests for. So I want to start doing these because right now, today is actually September 16th, Tuesday, September 16th. So obviously November is about a month and a half away, but I know that I like to pre-order my stickers kind of in advance. I actually like to do like 3 months at a time, but not a lot of people put them out that early. So I wanted to start releasing the next month's kit like halfway through the previous 2 months. So I put October's out like the beginning of September, but now right around the middle of every month, not the next month, but the one after that will be released. So I am releasing November's sticker kits and they're super cute, so stay tuned and I will show you guys how I'm going to lay them down and what they look like, so you guys can head on over to my Etsy shop and order them if you'd like. Alright, I'm first going to start off with, this is just a new addition to my shop. I do my like weekly cash envelope stuffing videos, and when I do that I put like week 1, week 2, week 3. Well, that doesn't necessarily work for those who go by paycheck because maybe they get paid bi-weekly or 2 times a month on the same days or once a month or whatever it may be, or maybe you want to use the word paycheck instead of week. So I designed these script stickers so it's just paycheck 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for those months that have 5 weeks you can use these. So one thing that I thought of is, get my notebook out here. So with these script stickers, you can, let's see here, so you can like lay down a large washi and then you can go ahead and just put the paycheck stickers on here just to give it a little more design. But these can be used with any large washies, or you don't even have to use a large washi, but super easy. So these are available in my Etsy shop. I'll post the link in the description below. So that is one new addition. And then we'll just go right into the November kits. So I'm gonna back up here. I'm gonna pull out the large washies. So we'll start with those. So this is this month's theme. So obviously November is fall, leaves, fall-like colors. So I really like kind of the teal brought in with the mint green, and you have like a little bit of a coral and then some tans, a little bit of an orange. So I really like this kit. So this is the thick washi. And then here is the thin washi. So as you can see, these colors, they just go really well together. I brought in a dark maroon from here, and then a light yellow, and then the same orange. So that is the thin washi. You get 5 thin strips. This is the November budget kit. So you get the script, you get 5 different thin washies, one for income, total income, expenses, total expenses, and then your savings washi on the bottom. You have a weekly check-in. So this one comes with 6 washi. I don't believe there's 5 weeks in November, but I just have that on all of them rather than changing it in and out. So you have all 5 weeks with the category, spent, and remaining, and then your totals washi at the bottom. Your debt tracker. So you have debt tracker script, 2 thin washis, debt, beginning, amount paid, ending, and then your totals. You have your transactions, just a transaction script, and then a thin washi with date, amount, category, description. You have your variable income. So this is kind of like the budget, but it's so income, total income, and then where you're putting that income. So date, amount, place, description, total expenses, and then last but not least is sinking funds. So you just have a category, beginning, what you're adding or taking away in the ending balance, and then your totals. So I am going to pull out my Erin Condren planner and set some of these in there so you guys can see how they work together. Okay, so what I do is I first start with the large washi. So these stickers are all sold individually, which is nice because not everybody uses, or not everybody has sinking funds, or not everybody does the weekly check-in. So you can purchase the pieces that you would utilize the most. So that's the neat thing about them. So we're going to lay down our large washi, and then I think I will do the budget kit. So we're first just going to lay down our November budget script stickers. Perfect. I love how the colors go together here. And then I will next lay down the first thin washi, which is the income. All these stickers are printed on premium matte sticker paper. And I laid that down crooked, and that's going to drive me crazy if I don't fix it. Okay, there we go. So there you have your income washi. So say you have 2 different incomes. So then we're going to come in with the total income washi right underneath where your incomes would go. And then we would do the expenses. I usually like to just leave a line just to kind of differentiate it a tiny bit. And then we'll come in at the bottom with our total expenses. And then at the very bottom, underneath total expenses, is where the savings washi would go. So that is what the November budget kit would look like. You can obviously space them accordingly, use it however you want. The next thing I'm going to show, I think I will do we'll do the sinking funds. So again, I'm just going to lay a thick washi strip right across the top there, and then I'm going to take my sinking funds sticker kit, and we'll get this script sticker laid down here. Okay, so then I'm just going to come right underneath that thick washi and put this first thin washi, which is going to show the category of the sinking fund, the beginning balance, how much you put in it or took out of it, and then the ending balance. So let's say you have 5 different categories of sinking funds. So I'm just going to come in then with this totals washi, and at the end of the month you can come in here then and mark all of your totals. So I usually like to do, I don't have a ton of sinking funds, so I usually like to do sinking funds and then debt tracker on the same page, just because I don't have a lot of sinking funds and I don't have a ton of different amounts of debts. So it works better for me to just lay them out all on the same page. So that is the November sticker kit. So I'm really excited about these. I think they turned out pretty darn cute. So again, they are posted up in my Etsy shop right now as we speak. So the description is in, or the link is in the description below. If you guys want to go check that out. I do have free shipping at $35, and I do have tons of cash envelopes on there that are personalizable with different labels. So actually I have one right here. So they look like that, and then you can get the tracker on back if you want. So tons of fun stuff on there. Go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Head over to my Etsy shop, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!